Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. Today I wanted to show you a side-by-side comparison between the Invicta Pro Diver Automatic and the Invicta Speedway Chronograph that has a quartz movement. The one on the right has the automatic movement, the Seiko NH35A movement. I have the older model that has the signed yellow rotor. I've seen that more modern models might not have that particular feature. Sometimes this one has 200 meters of water resistance. As I mentioned, the automatic movement, a very reliable Seiko movement. You have the magnifying glass here at 3 o'clock, where we also have the date complication. We have a screw down back. As you can see, also it has a hacking, so the seconds hand has stopped since we have pulled the crown to the last position. This particular model also has a manual winding option, something that I really like. Then we also have a rotating bezel. This is going to be, let's say, a very nice click, but it is going to be sometimes hard to rotate. Then we have a see-through back, something that I really like because the movement is going to be very beautiful, especially with this addition that they did. So the yellow rotor, we have a screw down back. So this watch has a water resistance of 200 meters. It is after a very popular model out there. Here you can see that we have the signed buckle with Invicta, we have the signed crown Invicta, and then we also have the side that also says Invicta, so the engraving is there as well. Then we have Invicta on the dial, and if you look very closely on the seconds hand, you can see that we have the Invicta logo once again. That is something really cool that the, let's say, the Quartz model does not have. This one has the 40 millimeter case size, and as you can see, it is a great fit for medium wrists. I have a wrist size of 165 millimeters or 6.5 inches, and this watch really looks very nice. I feel it very comfortable on the wrist. You can see that the thickness is going to be a little bit bigger since we have the automatic movement compared to the Quartz that I'm going to show you very soon. This particular model has the case of 39 millimeters. This is going to be the reference number 14381. And as you can see, we have another very popular design style that can be found out there. This one has the quartz movement, it has a chronograph feature, it has a date complication between 4 and 5 o'clock. As you can see, the speedway 200 meters. So once again, we have 200 meters of water resistance. We have the screw down crown, we have the screw down pushers. So this won't work unless you unscrew them, as you can see right here, which is something really cool. This is a very nice feature, and it's actually going to keep that 200 meters of water resistance. We have a screw down back. As you can see, we do not have the see-through back because this is a quartz movement. And something really interesting is that it seems they have also included the option to open this with a Rolex key. And we have the notches right here for the regular watch wrench. This particular model also has Invicta written on the inner part of the watch bracelet, as you can see, something that the other one does not have. But when it comes to the seconds hand, as you can see, it has a regular simple seconds hand. This one also features the tachymeter on the bezel, so we do not have a rotating bezel. This is a fixed bezel. When it comes to the finishing, they are going to be almost identical. So as you can see, we have the Invicta on the side, we have the same bracelet, the same finishing on the case. Of course, the dial and the bezel slash rotating bezel is going to be different, and the position of the date complication, guys. So in case you are looking for an automatic version, if you are into mechanical watches, I would definitely recommend to go with the Invicta Pro Diver Automatic. This is a very reliable watch with a very popular and reliable watch movement that is used by micro brands as well. And then if you do not want the hassle of the automatic movement, meaning you need to set the time and date every time you pick it up after a few days, and you want something that is going to keep on going and also has the date complication, you can actually go with the Speedway because it has the quartz version, it is going to be more reliable in terms of time tracking, so this is going to be more accurate compared to the mechanical movement, of course. And it also has the chronograph feature as well, once again with the screw down pushers, which is something really cool. So guys, this was the quick side-by-side comparison video that I had for you today. In case you want to purchase any of these two watches, I will leave a link in the description box below. If you want me to make a more in-depth video, show you their movements, show you them on the wrist, maybe test their accuracy, let me know and maybe I will do it. I also have full guides on how to set the time and date, how to wind the automatic version, so make sure to check the guides in the description box below, and also how to adjust the bracelet in case that is something that you need. If you enjoyed this video guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really helps the channel grow. Let me know what you would like to see next on this YouTube channel. And also, if you are into vintage watches, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Once again guys, thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.